So you have a supply, right? You have a major supply. Anytime you have a supply, you're expecting to have ask increase, meaning the ask is going to be here, right? You're going to have and we'll have it on the, I think it's being recorded so you guys can.
Yeah, it's recorded.
And we'll have a class next week on this as well. So now, if you're approaching any supply or any, let's say, demand, if you're approaching demand, what do you expect the numbers to be? I want to make sure you understand it. And the only way you do is if I flip it. If we are approaching demand right here, what would you expect the bid and the ask to look like? I guess Hot Dog don't answer this.
You'd see more ask. Or
Okay, anyone else?
More buys at the bid.
Okay, and what are those people called?
honest buyers.
Responsible buyers. Would they show an ask or on a bid?
They're showing the ask.
Pass.
On the bid?
Where do these people show up? Passive buyers
bid.
show up where?
The bid.
Passive buyers show up on the bid side. They're waiting, just like passive sellers have selling orders right here. Passive buyers are waiting for the price to come in. Passive buyers, aka responsible buyers, come in at the demands, at the level where they find value. Passive sellers sell as responsible sellers at point where they don't find value anymore. And aggressive sellers and buyers are everything in between, right? Depending on what time frame they're trading, daily, weekly, right? Like a lot of people that I see trading, they're somehow fall in between here. That's most likely because they don't have a plan when they trade. They just enter market a lot. And nothing wrong with entering market because remember, market has an opportunity. And if you miss it, either you're going to chase or you're going to wait. Right? So passive buyers set a demand and they wait for the price to come in and they show up on the bid side. Passive sellers, they wait for the price to reach to a certain point of supplies and they sit and sell from there. Aggressive buyers are in between, right? They feel like they missed the price or something and they buy a market. When you buy a market, you're buying at the ask, right? It's whatever people are asking, you're buying. And when you're selling, it's the opposite. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Does everybody understand where you can find these buyers and sellers?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, we'll hold a class next week unless anything changes with